I got a bad feeling about this.
Ta-da! Sleeper strikes again.
Okay. Okay.
Nope.
I'm gonna try to time it, so when the ship shows up, I'm doing this number.
No, I guess.
Hey, what happened?
Oof.
Gotcha, bitch.
Ow.
That worked beautifully. Your boot pushed him upwards, mine caught him upside the head.
Yeah, teamwork.
Like, TV even challenged him on, like, all of his characters, I think, except Titan and stuff like that. And he's like, if there's something I'm not allowed to use, just let me know. I don't want to make you feel uncomfortable, but, I'm gonna play the way I want, unless you give me some phantom rules.
Nope.
No, it did that if you got bumped.
Yep.
Whoa. Dude.
Wow.
Oh my god, yes.
That was great.
Clipping.
That was great.
That was
Not up in here!
Oh my god, they popped 2 arc staffs to get at me. What the fuck? I'm clipping that up.
Did you think to defeat my guardian so easily? I have taught them.
God damn it. God. Fucking damn.
On the other team. Oh, they're planning on doing all 3 at once if you want to go invade.
Suck!
No! What the hell, Ducky?
I could not resist. I couldn't. But now, I shall explore as well.